So we're very grateful for the partnership with VR, who give us this wonderful space to exhibit our art. Of course, we have more than 100 odd installations, paintings, and this year the festival is more layered as we are trying to make it every year. We have the 5 films for freedom. We have the films going on. We have that's a collaboration with the British Council. We have the UNESCO's Braided River, which is encouraging women to be in the field of STEM through photography. We have the Mod Foundation, Chennai Photo Biennale. We have some amazing collaborations, and of course, the very important collaborations of the institutes from Bangalore, like the Chitrakala Parishad, the Bangalore School of Design, whose students have created the most incredible installations and art. And I wish many people from Bangalore would come. I hope you all will amplify this message so that more and more people would come to VR Bengaluru. This show is on for a whole month. It's got multiple workshops, films, panel discussions. Another highlight I would say of the show is the car that is painted by Kalki Subramaniam, which is an incredible piece of design, but also not just design. I think it's got a very powerful message of inclusivity and identity, and that is the future. And the theme of the festival is the future is now. So it's lovely to see different interpretations of the future by students and senior artists, some of whom are exhibiting, like Geeta Hudson, and there's also a very interesting Korean artist that is behind me now. I'm ever so grateful to Alison, who has made the trip to Bangalore, one, to collaborate with us, and two, to come down to help us open the show. And I hope you all really enjoy it.
These collections are going to be for sale as well? Or?
No, so this is a not-for-profit initiative. This is supported by the chairman of Virtus Retail, which is Siddharthio, who is also the chief patron of the Huge Foundation. We have been doing these public art festivals for the last more than a decade, and this is our 26th festival. It's a pan-India offering. They are unique festivals in 6 cities. We have them every year. Each festival is totally different, rooted in the culture of that particular city, collaborating with institutions from that city. So these are really unique, student-centric art festivals. They are not for profit. All we want to do is, give students a great platform and a lot of exposure to audience, to other artists, so that there's dialogue, there's exchange of ideas, and that we hope will greatly benefit the students.